Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about something really important when you're starting a business which is centered around your personality, or you're like the expert, you're like a coach or consultant, an expert. You want to run a professional business and you want to make a lot of money, and you don't want to burn out along the way. And the key word that a lot of those coaches are missing is you don't have any boundaries. If you want to run an expert business, it's really important that you have strong boundaries and you understand the concept of boundaries really early on. I see a lot of people like they're starting a coaching business or an expert business or a consulting business. And when they're getting online and they're trying to build a personal brand, they're responding to every single person and to every single personal message. And they're hopping onto free calls and they hang on the calls like for 3 hours, getting a complete brain drain. And then they're wondering like why their business is not working. Like why do they not getting any customers? Why do they feel drained out and burned out all the time? And the secret is that you don't have any boundaries. By opening yourself up to any and every question that any person on the planet might have and responding to that, you're making it impossible that actually anyone would be willing to pay for them because they can just get this for free. It's really important that you have to divide your time into something of content that you're giving out for free and a certain amount of accessibility where people can learn from you and can discover you and they can learn like the first steps of solving their problem. And then having like a closed up space where you're working one-to-one with some people who are willing to pay, who are customers. And it's really unfair to them, the people who are paying you, if you're giving the same amount of attention to the ones who don't. So it's really important that when someone is reaching out to you via private message and is requesting a free call or a quick question, that you have boundaries and you show them exactly how they can become a customer. Or if you want to be like a little bit more helpful, you can direct them to certain free resources that you have about this topic, and then tell them if they want to learn more or something, get something tailored to their needs, that they can have the opportunity of working one-to-one with you. And this is really important. So make sure that you develop boundaries early on from starting your business so you're not getting into the trap of burning out too soon.